Hi everyone, the last few days have been fantastic here at the Money 2020 conference in Las Vegas. This is all about financial inclusion and the change that's going on in the industry called Fintech, which affects all of us. It's about money, and so it's really important that we are involved in that transformation. I started my career in banking and cross-border payments many years ago, and ran into issues with cross-border payments, when I ran through drop T and more recently with real estate. And so that's been a problem that's followed me, and I've decided to do something about it. But payments are not only international, it's also domestic, but in this particular part that I'm focusing on, it is the cross-border component. And so it's essential that I show up, that I be part of that, certainly to grow my idea into a viable company, but also to be in a discussion, right? That's something that's going to affect our community. Money, payments, we've seen that discussion play out already in real life. I mean, we have gone digital. And so things continue to move digital from cash to digital. And, it may not be at the point of cryptocurrency, but we're at digital right now, and that's the kind of the space in between. So it's important that the products that are being developed, that involve, things that are relevant, I feel, to our community, to, the international, whether, that's going to a place like Belize or the Caribbean, or even in our neighborhood, where we have, on the bank is a term you hear a lot. So, I mean, there's a huge portion of the population in the U.S. that they don't have a bank account, they don't have access to financial services. And so, you can't build credit, you cannot have the best, more efficient ways of moving your money or deploying your money, whether it's domestically or globally. So that's what's been going on here the last few days. Some announcements going to come before the end of the year in terms of partners that I align with for development of this particular application. And then, of course, my fundraising and capital raising continues, which is also a key skill that we need to have for any of you guys out there with ideas of how do you take it from, say, at a mom and pop level to now you're scaling it up, being able to raise capital, talk to investors, and present your ideas and product in a way that is going to attract the right partner. And that's about it. So wrapping up, thanks for you guys for sharing and following me and giving your ideas, and more to come as we develop the Senmonni app. If you haven't done so, you can go to Senmonni, SENMONNI.com and just register to find out more information. And as we develop, we'll certainly let you know. But this is about cross-border payments as it relates to remittances going to Belize and Caribbean and globally for that matter. And we will keep you guys posted. Thanks again and take care.